I don't know what the fuck going on, y'all, but boy, it's a sky full of motherfucking birds out here, man. Real shit, y'all, man. Them birds, y'all, all in the yard. The fuck going on, man? Look at this shit, man. Birds everywhere. I mean, birds pecking at my DM. Little birds, small birds. What the fuck going on? Everywhere, y'all. This Palm Coast, man. Venus. What the fuck going on, y'all? Y'all let me know. Shit, raining birds, y'all. I wish I could go higher. I'm talking about they all in the sky, high as fuck. They everywhere, y'all. The fuck they came from, where they going, what they doing, but they here. Look at this shit, y'all. There's birds everywhere. Look at my neighbor down there, y'all. Getting them. This shit crazy, y'all. Standing in the birds. Look at this shit, y'all. Look at the tree lifted after they got off it. This shit, y'all. This shit real, boy. All these motherfucking birds. Look, right back on the tree. They is everywhere, y'all. I wish y'all could see them bitches way out in the distance. Them bitches everywhere, all through the sky. Yeah, this shit real, y'all. This me, man. I don't know what the fuck going on now. This me, though. Some pretty ass little birds, too. Where the fuck they came from? This shit, A-Town, boy. I got way more birds than you, man. You can't fuck with me no more, man. I'm the bird, man. Birds pecking at my DM. Look at y'all, the line, man. The line full on. There ain't nothing but birds on the power line. Zoom in for y'all. Let y'all see them. They everywhere. That's the sky, y'all. Straight birds. And this shit, y'all. What the fuck?